Morning, good morning, good morning. Mga wormies. It's our second day of our ultra marathon training. It's also less than 10 days for the upcoming ultra marathon, which is the Luneta to Tagaytay ultra marathon, which is 60 kilometers. Unfortunately, I just came from a long vacation. I went outside the country. So, hindi ako nakapag-training. And ngayon, naghahabol tayo ng training. So, this is just our second day. Normally, yung mga first 5 days ng training ko, it's just like papawis lang talaga at all. Just for me to just feel the road, mapawisan para lang medyo meron tayong kickstart. But right now, on second day, I wasn't able to fulfill yung tamang number of kilometers because dahil nga second day medyo hirap, mabigat yung mabigat sa paa, medyo hingal tayo kasi nga hindi tayo nakapag-kickstart for our tamang routine natin na ginagawa every time that we will join marathon and ultra. So right now, my routine for the meantime, just for me to at least feel the road, is 5 kilometers. 5 kilometers na tayo for 35 minutes. 5 kilometers. And then, the next 5 kilometers would be walk. Pure walk, no run. So, kasi I still need to lose weight. And definitely, sabi nga nila, di ba? I'm also still believe that yung kasabihan na mas nakakapayat yung paglalakad kaysa sa pagtakbo. So at least for the meantime, we will do our normal routine for the next 4 days at least. And then for the 5th day, we will try to hit at least 21 kilometers para may pondo naman tayo ng takbo. By Sunday, let's meet on Sunday, Ayala car free Ayala car free day. So ayun, doon tayo tatakbo siguro mga 21 kilometers for para pumondo tayo ng kilometer run. 21 kilometers at least mas stable natin yung next 20 kilometers more, kasi at least maka 30 kilometers tayo may pondo natin sa ultramarathon. The next 30 kilometers bahala na kung ano yung magiging pakiramdam natin. Kung we can still run fast, then definitely we will do so. But if not, papakiramdaman lang natin. We will do our game planning this next by next week siguro. So that would be our game plan. For the meantime, pondo muna for the first 30 kilometers. At least we secure clean 30 kilometers, and then for the next 30 kilometers we will try to check, papakiramdaman muna natin kung goods pa yung pakiramdam ng mga binti natin by that time, since we're lack of training. So ayun, samahan nyo ako. See you on Sunday. Let's run sa Ayala Triangle or Ayala itself, dun sa car free day nila. So yeah, see you guys. Right now, I'll go on my outro. Guys, again, join us as I will and the team. Hopefully makasama sila. Run 60 plus kilometers Luneta to Tagaytay this coming March 14 and 15. Ultra marathon. Yeah. So, ayun, samahan nyo kami. Pray for our safety, my safety too, as I will conquer my greatest, not actually greatest, but one of my dreams to come true. Yun. So, ayun. Again, thank you for always staying with us every time that we have a run. Even we're just doing our daily routines. Thank you guys. Let's run Pilipinas. Shout out to all of you. Bye for now.